Hello everyone, my name is Omobolanle Alonge and I'm here to present to you a well-researched and fast-checked information about human nutrition, the science of how the food we eat affects our body and overall health, the role of the digestive system and how to meet our dietary needs for optimal well-being. Before I proceed with the presentation, I would like to take you through the table of contents, which are overview of human nutrition and digestion, the anatomical structure of the human alimentary canal, the function of each part of the human alimentary canal, including mechanical and chemical, enzymatic digestion and absorption, the histology of the stomach, duodenum, ileum, and of the main function of the liver related to digestion, the 7 requirements of a balanced diet in human and their main roles, the effect of dietary imbalance, including deficiency diseases and their symptoms, the current diet recommendation that I believe to promote good health and reduce the incidence of lifestyle factor diseases, the common misconception people have around diet and nutrition. Overview of nutrition and digestion. Nutrition is the biological process whereby organisms consume food and utilize nutrients to sustain life, supporting growth, development, energy production, and immune function. Nutrients are classified into micronutrients, which are carbohydrates, protein, fat, and water. They are needed in large amounts for energy and structure. And micronutrients, that are vitamin and mineral, are required in smaller quantity for regulating bodily function. Digestion transforms food into smaller forms through mechanical and chemical processes, allowing nutrients to be absorbed and delivered to the cells efficiently. The digestive system comprises the alimentary canal and accessory organs, including the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestine, as well as the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder, which aid in digestion. After digestion, nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream to provide energy, repair cells, and support critical function, while waste is eventually expelled from the body. The anatomical structure of the human alimentary canal. The human alimentary canal, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, is a continuous muscular tube through which food passes as it is digested and absorbed. This tube extends from the mouth to the anus and measures approximately 8 to 10 meters in length. Its primary roles are the digestion of food, absorption of nutrients, and the elimination of waste. Digestion involves both mechanical processes like chewing and mixing, and chemical or enzymatic action, breaking down complex molecules. Organs of the digestive system. The organs involved in digestion are classified into 2 main categories. 1. The alimentary canal organs, which are the hollow organs that form the main passage for food. They are directly involved in the ingestion, digestion, absorption, and excretion of food. 2. Accessory organs. These organs support the digestive process by secreting enzymes and other substances, but do not directly come in contact with food. The functions of the human alimentary canal, including the mechanical and chemical enzymatic digestion and absorption. The mouth contains the teeth, tongue, and the salivary glands, serving as the entry point for food and the beginning of digestion. Mechanical digestion occurs as teeth chew food while the tongue mixes it with saliva to form a bolus. Saliva contains ptyalin, which starts breaking down starch chemically. The pharynx connects the mouth to the esophagus, helping move food through swallowing without any digestion taking place. The esophagus transports food to the stomach using peristalsis, but digestion doesn't occur here either. The stomach stores food and aids mechanical digestion through churning, mixing it with gastric juices to form chyme. Pepsin, activated by hydrochloric acid in the stomach, begins protein digestion. The small intestine, about 6 to 7 meters long, is where most digestion and nutrient absorption occurs. It receives bile and pancreatic juices to continue digestion, while nutrients are absorbed through its walls. The liver produces bile for fat digestion, and the gallbladder stores and releases bile as needed. The pancreas produces digestive enzymes and hormones like insulin. Finally, the large intestine absorbs water and salts, forming feces which are stored in the rectum until defecation with the anus as the exit of the digestive system. The histology of the stomach, duodenum and ileum, and of the main function of the liver related to digestion. The stomach wall consists of 4 layers: the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, and serosa. The mucosa features a simple columnar epithelium that forms gastric pits, leading to various glands. Mucus-secreting glands in the cardiac region, acid-producing parietal cells, and enzyme-secreting sheath cells in the body, and gastrin-secreting gill cells in the pylorus. The layers below include the submucosa with connective tissue and blood vessels. The muscularis externa, featuring 3 smooth muscle layers to aid digestion, and the serosa, which acts as the stomach outer covering. In the small intestine, the duodenum initiates digestion with a mucosa of simple columnar epithelium that include absorptive enterocytes and goblet cells. Its submucosa contains Brunner's glands, which produce alkaline mucus to counteract stomach acid. The ileum, the final segment, features finger-like villi and Peyer's patches in the submucosa. The liver plays a crucial role in digestion by producing bile for fat emulsification, regulating blood sugar, detoxifying substances, and storing vitamins and nutrients. It metabolizes carbohydrates, lipids, and protein, helping in the synthesis of plasma protein and storage of essential elements. 7 requirements of a balanced diet in the human and their main role. A balanced diet consists of 7 essential nutrients: carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, mineral, water, and dietary fiber, each serving crucial roles in maintaining health. Carbohydrates are the body's main energy source, while proteins support tissue repair and growth and can provide energy when needed. Fats offer long-lasting energy and aid in vitamin absorption and hormone production. Vitamin and mineral, though required in small amounts, are vital for various bodily functions, from metabolism to building strong bones. Water is critical for hydration and physiological processes, and dietary fiber promotes healthy digestion. To maintain a balanced diet, it is important to consume variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats, with attention to portion control and reduced intake of added sugar, salt, and saturated fats. Nutritional needs can vary based on age, gender, lifestyle, and health status. It is essential to be aware of the consequences of deficiencies, as a lack of certain nutrients can lead to serious health issues, underscoring the importance of a well-rounded diet for overall well-being. Effects of dietary imbalance, including deficiency, diseases, and symptoms. Dietary imbalance refers to the inadequate or excessive intake of essential nutrients, which can jeopardize the body's normal functions and overall health. Nutrient deficiencies can lead to serious health conditions. For example, protein deficiency can cause kwashiorkor, characterized by symptoms such as a swollen belly and stunted growth, particularly in children. Similarly, a lack of vitamin C can result in scurvy, causing bleeding gums and fatigue. Other deficiencies like those of vitamin D, iron, and iodine can lead to rickets, anemia, and goiter, respectively, each manifesting distinct symptoms related to bone health, energy level, and metabolic regulation. Additionally, dietary imbalance can occur from excess nutrient intake, such as consuming too many calories, leading to obesity and associated illness like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Insufficient dietary fiber can contribute to digestive issues and chronic diseases, while hydration can severely impact bodily function, resulting in symptoms ranging from dry skin to confusion. Ultimately, maintaining a balanced diet that includes all essential nutrients is crucial for both physical and mental well-being. Current dietary recommendations to promote good health and prevent lifestyle-related diseases. Current dietary recommendations play a crucial role in promoting good health and minimizing the risk of lifestyle-related diseases, which stems from unhealthy daily habits such as poor diet and lack of exercise. Conditions like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease can often be prevented through informed dietary choices. Key guidelines include consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables, choosing whole grain over refined carbs, limiting saturated fat and sugar, and staying hydrated. Incorporating a variety of protein sources and being mindful of portion sizes also contribute to overall health. To support a balanced diet, it is advisable to reduce processed food high in salt and unhealthy fats. While consuming alcohol in moderation, engaging in these practices assists in maintaining a healthy weight and enhances overall well-being. By adhering to this dietary recommendation, we can significantly lower the chances of developing chronic lifestyle-related diseases and foster a healthier lifestyle. Common misconceptions people have about diet and nutrition. We will delve into common misconceptions surrounding diet and nutrition, compounded by the influence of social media and celebrity trends. One prevalent myth is that carbohydrates cause weight gain, although they are the body primary energy source. Weight gain results from excessive calorie intake, not carb specifically. Another misconception is the belief that all fats are detrimental. However, unsaturated fat found in food like olive oil and avocados are crucial for health. The idea of needing to detox through juice is misleading, as the body naturally detoxifies through organs like the liver. Juice cleanses can actually lead to nutrient deficits. Additionally, the timing of eating is less important than overall dietary habits, as late night eating isn't inherently fattening. It is often linked to mindless snacking. There is also a myth that high protein diets damage kidney, but this concern applies only to individuals with existing kidney conditions. Healthy adults benefit from protein in maintaining muscle and metabolic health. Gluten-free diets are unnecessary for most, as whole grain provide vital nutrients unless medically advised otherwise. Finally, while supplements can address nutrient deficiencies, they cannot substitute for a balanced diet rich in whole food, which deliver essential benefits that supplements alone cannot replicate. Thank you for listening.